Episode 17. Arthur's point of view. T had high fever and Cookie became his super strict instructor. He did everything which can help T, but his help gave T lot of hard time. Hobie checked him and told to Cookie that T's hemoglobin level is very low because of not getting proper food. He told him that to increase T's blood level, he needs to eat lots of carrot and spinach. Cook decided to make T super healthy like himself. For that, he brought carrot from a baby rabbit and fed T. He mistakenly brought grass in place of spinach and he doesn't know how spinach looks like. He forced T to eat grass, but T denied him. Cook forcefully stuffed grass in his mouth and told him to chew it. T unwillingly started chewing it. He was crying mess. Luckily Jin came there and rescued him. He couldn't understand whether he scolded him or for his foolishness or praised him for his effort to make T healthy. He calmly made him understand his mistake and he promised to him that he won't feed T anything without any Hank's approval. After the dinner, everyone decided to celebrate T's birthday on Jimin's birthday. When Yoongi got to know about this, he became super mad and immediately denied. Let's see what happens next. Cook, meow meow, we decided to celebrate Tata's birthday with Mini Yoongi. Yoongi, shocked, what? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, meow meow. Yoongi, no, this can't be possible. We can't celebrate T's birthday with Minnie. June, why not? Minnie is also agree with this. He doesn't have any problem. Yoongi, of course he won't have any problem. After all, he is a fool. Whether he has no problem or not. But I have huge problem with this. No, we can't celebrate T's birthday on Minnie's birthday. And that's final. I don't want any discussion over this. June, but Hyang. Yoongi, June, I already told my decision and my decision is final. Looked at Jin. Hyang, Minnie is dumb. But you also agreed. I didn't expect this from you. Jin, Minnie is ready to share his birthday with T. I don't think there is any problem in this. Like they both are same age, so we can celebrate their birthdays together like twins. Hobie and Hyang, if T was born in same date, then we have to celebrate his birthday with Minnie. Yoongi, if this happened, then I don't have any problem with this, but we purposely can't choose same date for him. It's wrong. Jimin, it's alright Hyang, I don't have any problem with this. I will happily share my birthday. It's not a big deal. Yoongi, because you are a dumb. How will you mad for you? Hobie, take him to the hospital and do his CT scan. Hobie, CT scan, but why Hyang? Yoongi, because I have doubt that he is born without brain or his brain got damaged. June, what are you saying Hyang? Cook, so that means Mini Hanky doesn't have brain. Mini Hanky is brainless. Jin, shh. Don't speak in between elders. Quietly listen everything. Cook slowly nodded his head. Utti. Yoongi, I'm saying the truth. If he has little bit brain, then he won't say anything like this. He always ready to sacrifice his happiness for others. Till now, everything was okay, but now he is ready to sacrifice his special day too. One day, only one single day he gets for himself, where he gets everyone's attention, but now he is ready to sacrifice that too. I don't know what should I do with this boy. I try to understand him that this much goodness isn't good for him. He will only hurt, but he never listened to me. There is no need to show your greatness. You can't live your life like a normal human. Can't you show us your real emotions? Why do you think if you will take your side or think about yourself, then it's wrong? You're doing injustice with yourself. Taking care of your happiness is also your responsibility. All the time, we can't stay with you to take care of you. You have to take care of yourself. You have to stand for yourself. If you don't like anything, then just say you don't like it. It doesn't mean you will hurt other or offend. If anyone get offended, then let it be. You can't make everyone happy. I'm not saying to not to be good, but without hurting yourself. You don't need to sacrifice your happiness for everyone. I know I'm just banging my head on wall. You won't listen to me, and again just think about others. Jimin, it's not like that, Yang. Really, I don't have any problem. I'm happy. I'm not sacrificing my happiness. Yoongi, see, I told you na, he is a dumb. He doesn't have brain. He is born to get hurt. Jimin, Hyang, Yoongi, but Hyang, birthdays are very special. It's our specialty and we should celebrate it. It's not something to share. Look at T. T, don't think I don't want to celebrate your birthday. It's not like this. Like others, I also want to celebrate it, but not with Minnie. It will be your first birthday, so it's obvious we celebrate it in grand. In attempt to make you happy and feel special, unintentionally we will forget about Minnie. You will become happy, but our Minnie will left alone with broken heart. No, I can't let this happen. You both deserve your own birthday. You both deserve your own special day. You both have rights to become happy and feel special. We can't snatch any of your rights. We can't do injustice with any of you. T. Yoongi Hangi, I understand your concern. You aren't wrong. I'm not taking you wrong. Yoongi patted his shoulder. Thank you, T. Jin, after hearing Yoongi, I'm agree with his thought. If we celebrate both T and Minnie's birthday at the same day, then we will definitely forget to give them same attention. Unintentionally, we will hurt any of them sentiments, and we don't want this. We want everyone's happiness, right? So it would be better if we celebrate their birthdays separately, so that we can give both of them the love and importance which they deserve. June, we can't discriminate between them. They both are very dear to us. We love both of them equally. Cook, so that means we won't celebrate Tata's birthday? Hobby, no Cookie, it's not like that. We will definitely celebrate T's birthday. Cook, but when? June, we can choose any other day. Cook, but which day? Before Minnie Hangi's birthday or after? Jin, it's a tough thing. We don't know who is elder among them. Cook, but Juni Hangi said Minnie Hangi and Tata is same age na. Then how can any of them become elder? Same means equal na, right? June, Cookie, their birth year is same, but date and month can be different na. Like your and mine birthday came in same month but different date. Cook made O face. Oh, like that. Then can't we find the difference between their age? Jin, no na. We don't know about their T's birthday. Then how will we find out the difference? Cook, we can find out, Jinny Hangi. See, if Cookie has two apples and Cookie gets confusion between them, which one should Cookie eat first? Then Cookie compare them, whichever is the smaller one, Cookie eats that first. Then bigger one needs more time na. Jin, you want us to compare between T and Minnie? Cook, can we do that? June, we can't compare between both of them. Both has different qualities. How can we compare them? Cook, we can. Tell them to plug apples for Cookie. Whoever plug more apples, we will celebrate their birthday before. June, and what will we do with this much apples? Cook, we will give them to Ginny Hangi. Ginny Hangi will prepare apple pie for Cookie. It's so yummy. Licked his lips. Cookie hasn't eaten apple pie from a long time. June, Cookie, you only think about food now. Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Ginny Hangi, why would Cookie think about anything else? Food is life, na? Like Ginny Hangi. Jin, right, Cookie? Cook, don't worry, Ginny Hangi. Cookie will give you smallest bite. June, smallest bite. Cook, yes, smallest bite. Last time Cookie gave Ginny Hangi to take a bite of his tasty hamburger, and Ginny Hangi ate half hamburger in one bite. Poor Cookie's tummy didn't full, but this time Cookie will give you smallest bite just to taste. Jin laughed. June, our Cookie became super intelligent. Now he won't come in your trap. Hobie, after hearing Cookie's talk, an idea came in my mind. June, what idea, Young? Hobie, we can compare their DNAs and find out who is elder among them, and that we will choose a date for tea. What do you say? Jin, it's perfect. Hobie, I already have T's DNA sample. I will take minis too and send to lab in the morning, and in the evening we will decide his new birthday. Cook happily, yay! Hobie, thank you so much, Cookie. You gave me this idea. Cook, shocked. Cookie gave you this idea, Hobie Hangi? Hobie, Cookie gave me this wonderful idea. Cook, oh, Cookie so innocent, nah. Cookie, forget that. Cookie helped Hobie Hangi. It's okay. Cookie is so happy. Cookie will get to eat yummy cake. Yoongi, it's good. So now everything is fine, Hyang. I'm going to my room. I'm so tired. Jin slowly nodded his head. Jimin held his hand and stopped him. Yoongi, Yang, Yoongi yanked his hand. I don't want to listen anything. Angrily left to his room. Jin patted his head. Minnie, don't be sad. You know his anger, right? When his anger calmed down, he will come to talk with you. Give him some space. Jimin turned around with a smiley face. I know, Yang. I'm fine. Don't worry. Time skipped after some times. Jimin was sitting on the terrace and watching moon. Here is no one except him. It's all silent as they were living far away from city's noise. Whenever he feels low or sad, he came here and silently just watching moon. It gives him inner peace and calm down whatever negative thoughts were running inside his mind. He can watch moon for hours without saying anything. He was only smiling. His face was glowing by moonlight. Suddenly he felt someone patted his shoulder. He turned around to see the person. Jimin turned around. Tea, you here? Do you have any work with me or you want anything? Tea gave him a glass of milk. I brought milk for you. Jimin took the glass from his hand. Thank you so much. But why did you come? How did your Cookie let you come here? Tea smiled. Cuckoo was coming to give you milk, but I insisted to Ginny Hangi that I wanna give it to you. So he took Cuckoo with himself. He wasn't letting me to come here. Jimin, oh, okay, but how did you know I'm here? Tea, First, I went to your room, but you weren't there, so I was searching you everywhere. Then Hoogie Hangi told me that you must be on terrace, so I came here. Jimin, oh, okay. T. Minnie, Jimin, tell me, what do you wanna say? T hesitated. Can I sit here, please? Jimin, no, floor is very cold and you aren't well. You should go to your room and sleep. You need rest. T, I'm fine. Pulled his hand and touched his forehead. See, I don't have fever too. I already took my medicines. See, I brought my glass of milk too. Showed him his glass. I will sit here until my glass of milk get finished. After that, I will go to my room and sleep. I promise. Now, can I sit here, please? Jimin smiled, but this floor is very cold. T, you are also sitting on the cold floor. Jimin, my thing is different. I am used to it. T, I'm also used to it. In the orphanage, I don't have any mattress or soft thing. I spend my entire life on this cold floor. Nothing happened to me. Jimin removed his jacket and spread it on the floor. Okay, now sit on it. I don't want you will catch cold. T happily sit on the jacket. Thank you so much, Minnie. Jimin, thank you, but for what? T, for allowing me to sit here. Jimin, T, now it's your house too. You don't need to anyone's permission. You can do anything, whatever you want. T, it's the greatness of you all. But if I forget my place, then it's wrong, na? Jimin, T, it's not like any greatness. Whatever we did just for humanity, we were in that place where we can help you, so we just help. We didn't do any favor. If in future you will get the chance to help others, then you should also do this. It's called humanity, not favor or greatness. T smiled. I promise in future I will also do help and never let any of you to feel regret to help me. Jimin, we never regret. T, help us something which we do by selfless thinking, not by anything getting returned. If we expect anything in return, then it was business, not help. And we all have full trust on you. We know you will never break our trust. Arthur, when trust broke, then nothing left to break. Everything ends and only regret left to haunt you lifetime. T, I promise I will never break any of your trust. Jimin, while sipping his milk, we know that. T, don't worry. T, Minnie, I'm sorry. Jimin, sorry, but for what? T, because of me, Yoongi Hangi scolded you. I'm feeling guilty. I should have stopped everyone beforehand. Jimin, you don't need to feel guilty, T. You didn't do anything. It was my decision to celebrate your birthday on mine. It's nothing related to you. And don't worry about Yoongi Hang. He's just overprotective for me among all of them. He loves me the most and easily gets worried. He thinks everyone just wants to hurt me, but in reality nothing like this. Everyone loves me so much. Why would anyone hurt me, right? T, he's worried because he loves you and genuinely cares for you, and his worries aren't for nothing. Jimin, what do you mean? T, I mean, not everyone is good like you. Not everyone treats you in good ways. Some came in your life just to hurt you. Jimin, T, by love you can change anyone's hatred in love. I didn't do anyone's wrong, then why would anyone hurt me? T, yeah, this is also the truth, but now Yoongi Hangi is angry with you now. Jimin, who said this? T, I saw he yanked your hand and didn't talk with you. Jimin, oh, that was nothing. He isn't angry, he was just hyper. He easily got hyper. When his mind cools down, he will talk with me. Don't worry. T, you didn't feel bad? Jimin, why would I feel bad of my own family members' behavior when I know how much they love me? T, Minnie, you are so good, no doubt. Why everyone called you an angel? Jimin, it's not like angel. I'm not an angel. I just want a return which I get by my family. My family is good. That's why I'm also good. T, yeah, this family is so sweet, just like fairy tale. Jimin, T, don't take Cookie's words on your heart. He is so pure-hearted. He is in little space, that's why he doesn't know the meaning of things. He always tried to help everyone but messed up everything. I know you must be scared by his dominant action. He is like this. If he wants anything, then he wants. When he heard about your health, he decided to make you healthy, and for that he is ready to do anything. Don't think he's like this only with you. He's like this with us too. Whenever any of us falls sick, he becomes our super strict instructor. We have to follow his words, otherwise he made us follow his rules by his ways, and his ways are very, very different. T, yeah, I know. He tied my legs with lampshade so that I won't run away. He fed me grass, but he's very sweet too. I started understanding him little. He's just overprotective. Jimin, yeah, he's so sweet and dangerous at the same time. T hugged him tightly. Sorry, Minnie. Tear dropped from his eyes. Target 300 likes for 20 minutes long episode. To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. Are you agree with Yoongi's statement that both of them should get their own specialty? Why did he say sorry to Jimin? What's next is coming. The real game has started now. By the way, do you remember the story of Little Red Riding Hood? Something big is going to happen. Women's DNA is going to match with that. So many unheard truths will be revealed too. Don't forget to compare the target. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.